Hi there everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this 20-in-1 AirPod, phone, keyboard, screen cleaner. I mean, this thing absolutely has everything, and I'm in love with it. I've been using it now for a little bit, and I want to kind of go over a few of the features with you just because I am so impressed with this product. This thing here all comes in a nice case, everything that you need. In fact, the case itself is in fact a tool. I mean, you can use the case itself to actually bring out, if you've got like dirty keyboards, maybe you've got makeup you spilled on your keyboards, you got ways you can get that brushed off of there. These fine bristles on this thing, I mean, they really help eliminate all that gunk that's down in there, real stubborn stuff in there, and it actually is really nice that that's all included in there. You also have ways that you can clean out earpods, AirPods, you've got phone cleaner. They even provide you with a solution that you can use for this, which is nice because it's, whenever you need this, you're going to need some solution. So I want to show you how to clean a couple other quick things. They also provide you with all this here, including little sticky pads to kind of clear out little holes and speaker holes and things, and buffer pads and all kinds of stuff. I mean, this kit is a complete kit. This is the only kit you will ever need to buy for this. This is an AirPods case here. They provide you with, first time I've ever seen, this little tool. You can simply spray on some of this cleaner, and then it will be stuck in there and it stays on there even if you move it down. But this actually allows you to get down in here and twist down and get out any of the gunk that is down in the bottom of down there. Those are so hard to get to, and this is thick enough. It's not like a Q-tip, so it actually can get down in there and get that all nice and cleaned out. That is a great idea. I have not seen that before, but each one of these tools also is a dual tool. This other side here is actually going to be great for cleaning out your earpods. So if you're like me, you fumble them a lot, you end up dropping them in the dirt or whatever else, you do not want to stick this in your ear. So very simply, you can use a brush, doing some maintenance, clean it out. But one of the tough parts about earpods is cleaning out the gunk that gets stuck down, earwax and whatever else that gets stuck in there. So by doing this, you have a little tiny brush that can get down in there. You've got a little pick to kind of get out. This kind of got a blunted end, so that way it's not going to puncture anything, to get that cleaned up in there to help with that. So that's really nice, because then you're going to be able to clean all this thing up. You've cleaned up your case, you've cleaned up your keyboards, you can even clean up your phone. You've got other tools in here that allow you to use them to clean up things like lenses, polish those up on your phone. So for us as influencers, I mean, using your phones to videotape things is absolutely imperative. This kit just has absolutely everything, and I'm blown away with the thought and creative process that went into this. Thank you guys again for sending it.